Since we've already set up an ad with the simplified mode, as you see here, now let's actually take the next step and set up an ad with the custom mode, which will give us more control. So I'm going to choose custom mode and I'm going to say confirm so that we're on the same page. I'm going to click on campaign and I'm going to choose a new campaign, create a new campaign. So we're going to call this something else. It'll be totally fresh. So we're going to create new and we're going to choose what we want to do. In my case, I want to build awareness. Like I want to build followers. I want to do all those things to build my account up because I want this account to grow in TikTok and get promoted and have followers and so on. Like I want to build a personal brand for my music and develop an audience for my music. But for this, I need an audience. So this is what I'm going to choose. Community interaction. Yes, continue. And then I'm going to choose continue once it's selected. Now this is going to ask me to create a new ad group. Let's call it more music followers. We're going to place the ad inside TikTok. Yes. Users can comment. Yes. Users can download video. Fine. Now let's choose our audiences. When we click on the audience, it's going to give us demographics to choose from. I want to advertise United States. I want to choose either gender is fine. And I want to choose maybe the age group that's this age group. Languages, let's just say English. And then we want to find as much as possible people who like music and especially the kind of music that I create. So they have this little box here saying we recommend selecting 16 interests and major behavior categories. Okay, so let's apply whatever they suggest. They suggest music. And you can type things in here. So let's say like classic rock. No. Or you can type in like rock. Okay, so rock star, rocks. You see? So none of this is exactly what I'm doing because this music that I'm promoting, this song, is not really rock. It's more like softer rock. But at the same time, you see like, let's try guitar. So like guitar songs, great. Like sad songs. Mine are not that sad. Some of them might be, but we'll see how it is. Maybe new songs, but we generally want to stay closer to the genre. So the genre is like, let's say singer-songwriter, no poetry. So my music, it's very lyrics focused. So I'm going to select that. Then I'm going to keep searching. So I found a few interests that are a good fit for me. And I was searching and searching, but I couldn't find any more. So what I want to do after this is find behaviors. And I want to take away things that they added here for me. So like business and finance, no. So for the category, I'm going to select music. And then I want to advertise people who followed and viewed the profile of creators. And follow is more important. So maybe I'll just not have the viewed profile, but I just want to focus on following because I want to build up my followers. For devices, I don't really care. But I do care that they have a good internet connection. So I'm going to say 4G and even 3G maybe. That's optional. And I don't have a preference of carriers or device price. Then I'm going to set the budget. Let's say $20 per day. You can stop this anytime, so it doesn't really matter. Run continuously. You can select specific time. This is interesting. You want to select the time when your audience may be more engaged. So perhaps not early morning, perhaps during the day they're a little busy and maybe they're a little more free in the evening. In my case, I'll just leave it blank. Now, bidding optimization. What's the goal here, right? You have a profile visit as the goal or follow as the goal. And of course, I want to build followers. And I'll just choose lowest cost. I just want numbers and hopefully they're engaged. Once you get some numbers, you can switch this to cost cap, meaning you can bid higher. Like you can choose how many dollars you can spend per follow. But if you don't know how much it will cost for your genre, for your demographic, you want to just start with something easy like lowest cost. Then you select next. Then you give your ad the name, first ad, let's say, something basic. Then if you want to use your TikTok account, they say you have to upgrade to business account, which I'm going to click. Then they ask you to select category. You're going to select whatever's closest to you. Like they don't have a music. So maybe media and entertainment. Then you submit. Then they say you've upgraded. It was that pretty much that easy. And what you can do is promote one of your TikTok posts. So these are the posts I have. The last few I have are from the same songs. They're just different parts of the same song. So maybe I'll promote, this is a cool part of the song. This is a cool part of the song. This is the chorus, which is the catchy part. And then this is the bridge, which is kind of like the more meaningful part. It's more interesting, more thought-provoking. Doesn't really matter. I think there's more going on here and it's longer, so it gives me people more of a glimpse into what's happening. So I'll select that and I'll confirm. So I already have my ad creative. You don't have to upload anything. Then they want you to agree to some things by checking this box. You confirm that you have the rights to use this, yes. And then the second box, by checking this box, you allow for the ad and the associated performance metrics of the campaign to be displayed on the TikTok for Business Creative Center, yes. And you're all set up. So we don't have a tracking setting because we just want account follow. So we submit. Then they give you a window like this saying your ad is getting set up. Then it's saying your ad got created. And then you see it says your ad is in review. So they'll tell you if it passed or not, probably within 24 hours. And then the ad will either run or you have to debug it. But this is how you have a little more control over how you set up your ad. So in the future, you should basically just be using this version and not the basic one.